In the name of God, the compassionate, merciful. Dear professors, researchers, scholars, and students, many thanks for your attention to the birth of Maulana, and many thanks from organizers of Allame Tabatabai University Vice President of Research and Director Dr. Tishayar. They gave me this opportunity for expressing my views about one of the most important personalities in Persian language and literature and mysticism or Gnosticism. The birth anniversary of Maulana Jalaluddin Muhammad Balkhi is one of the most important divine gifts. The works of this great man have spread over the world. Rumi's works belong not only to Iran and Turkey, but all the world. His works are Oriental and Islamic masterpieces into Persian language and literature. On his birthday, celebrations will be held in Iran, Turkey, the Indian subcontinent, and other countries around the world, and in different languages. Greatest scholars and scientists have written hundreds of books and articles in description and interpretation of his works. World scientists consider the tendency toward Rumi's work in the sense of humanism and world peace. Rumi's work, especially Masnavi and Divan Shams, have fascinated countless readers. In recent decades, Rumi believes in romantic theism or romantic theology and expresses the mystical knowledge in the form of allegory and story. Maulana considers Masnavi to be the principles of principles of principles. In my opinion, it refers to the detection of the heart, mind, and narration. But he knows the discovery of the heart as the best and highest in knowledge. According to his saying, the Masnavi is the roots of the roots of the roots. Of in respect of its unveiling the mysteries of attainment to the truth and of certainty, and which is the greatest science of God, and the clearest way of God, and the most manifest evidence of God. The likeness of the light, the Raf, is as niche or lamp in which is the candle shining with the radiance brighter than the dawn, sepide star. It is the heart's paradise, having fountains and bowls, one of them a fountain called Salsabil, nectar. Among the travelers or Salikin on his path. among the travelers on his path, and in the view of the possessors of mystical stations and divine grace. Masnavi is best as a station and most excellent as a spiritual resting place. According to poem from Sheikh Baha'i Muhammad Amili, one of the most important and famous scholars in 11th century after Hijrah in Iran. According to his poem, I am not saying that His Excellency is the Holy Prophet, but he has a book, great book. His Masnavi is as indicative Quran. This book guides some people and misleads others, because many people were misled by the Quran. A group fell into the well with this string, ignorant or enemy. The string is not guilty because you had no idea of progress in your mind. We Iranian hope that the dissemination of Rumi's works can be a step in the development of culture, literature, art, and international peace. Many thanks for your attention.